Is online. Okay, we're live. Hello, everyone. My name is Renee. I'm from the marketing group. Here to interview Charlie Cipher from Camfil USA. Charlie has 30 years experience in the air filtration industry, and he currently oversees the development of the marketing and technical materials for Camfil USA. Today we want to talk about a unique tool for Camfil that you're currently offering your customers and potential customers, which helps them make better air filtration choices. The CamTester is the unique tool. It provides information about pressure drop and energy usage critical to purchasing air filters and what the actual total cost of ownership is for their air filters. So Charlie, tell us how it works and what it's all about.
Thanks, Renee. You know, it's kind of interesting. It's a very interesting world that we live in. People are willing to pay $6 for a bottle of water, yet we breathe on average 15 liters or 25 kilograms per day, 15 liters per minute. Air filters, if you think about it, are kind of difficult to sell. Clean air is invisible, and for the most part, so is dirty air, also invisible. Clearly, air filters are a major factor in human health. Camfil uses distributors and representatives throughout North America to sell our products. And our Camfil distributors wanted something to physically demonstrate directly to the users how filters perform. Some actually created models on their own, although we're very basic. Camfil took it from there. Camfil developed what we now call the CamTester. Through extensive research, through a lot of work in our R&D department, we built a state-of-the-art unit with a German-engineered motor, clearly visible gauges and controls, even a remote monitoring and control module that can be operated by the attendees. The unit itself is actually based upon a standard as written by the American Society of Heating, Refrigeration, and Air Conditioning Engineers, so it uses the same size filters that would be used in that test, plus its primary measurements are airflow, filter velocity, and the most important or critical item, the amount of watts used.
Well, that's great. Can the CamTester be used anywhere to test air filters?
Well, that's also interesting because this is actually our second generation. The first generation being very popular and doing all the things that I just previously mentioned, but it was interesting. For the most part, the first generation had to be used in a parking lot. It had extensive electrical requirements. It was too wide for most meeting rooms. You really couldn't get it into a door. Today's CamTester is modular in design, 3 pieces basically. It fits through a standard door opening, even a residential size door opening. It uses a 15 amp standard electrical outlet, just like you plug a normal plug into a wall. And the real bottom line is it's totally portable.
Are there specific types and size of air filters that the CamTester can test?
The CamTester will test basically any type of filter that can be used in an HVAC system, right from the type that are used in residences, such as what we all call fiberglass panels, polyester pads, pleats, bags, rigid filters, mini pleated 4-inch deep filters. There's even an option that we can put optional sizes into the CamTester. It can even evaluate HEPA filters if need be.
Okay. How does the CamTester calculate the actual cost of air filters over time?
It actually uses the measurements from the motor, and it measures the electric in watts, which are clearly visible to the person operating the machinery. People should keep in mind that energy costs can be 3 to 7 times the cost of the filter itself. The CamTester exposes filters that may have a low initial cost, but hand lots of money over to the electric utility over time.
Well, that's really interesting. How can someone test the efficiency of their air filters using the CamTester? How do they go about doing that?
The easiest way to do that is to contact your local Camfil distributor. There's a nationwide listing on our website. Alternatively, they could also call 1-866 for Camfil or request that Camfil contact you through our website at catalog.camfil.us. There is a link on the left-hand side that will provide contact information to anywhere in the United States.
Okay, well, I want to thank you today for taking some time out of your day and letting us know more about the CamFilter or the CamTester. And thank you very much, everyone who participated to the Google Hangout. Have a great day.